types of roots are used when you are classifying functions. The first thing you do when you are classifying the root is you find the discriminant. The discriminant can either be positive, negative, or zero. The formula for finding the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Here is an example. Let's say we have a function 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. First we substitute everything into the equation. So a is 3, b is 2, and c is 3. Now you substitute into the equation. So what we would have is 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times 3. The next step is you solve the equation. So you will have 4 minus 36. This equals negative 32. So the discriminant is negative 32. Here is another example. The a value in this function is 4, the b value is 3, and the c value is 7. Therefore, after we follow the steps, our d value will come out to be negative 103. So the discriminant of this function is negative 103. For this example, the a value is 1, the b value is 5, and the c value is 25. So when you follow the steps, the discriminant will equal negative 75. The next step is you have to determine how many solutions your function will have. You do this through the discriminant. Your discriminant will either be positive, negative, or 0. If your discriminant is negative, your quadratic will have 0 solutions. If your discriminant is positive, your quadratic will have 2 solutions. Finally, if your discriminant is 0, your quadratic will have 1 solution. Here's another example. 1. As you can see from the previous example, the a value is 4, the b value is 2, and the c value is 1. Following the steps from the previous step, we can find that the discriminant is negative 12. Negative 12 is a negative number, so there will be 0 solutions. The next example, a value is 1, the b value is 4, and the c value is negative 1. Again, following the steps from the last step, we can find the discriminant to be 20. 20 is a positive number, so there will be 2 solutions. The next step is you have to find whether the discriminant is rational, or the function is rational. You do this through the discriminant. The first step is you find the discriminant. The second step is you determine whether the discriminant is a perfect square. And then the third step, if the discriminant is a perfect square, it is rational. If the discriminant is not a perfect square, it is irrational. As you can see, 81 is rational, 16 is rational, while numbers like 7 and 71 that do not have perfect squares are irrational. Now you can try this all together. From step 1, we can find out that the a value is 1, the b value is 3, and the c value is negative 4. First, we substitute everything in, and we find the discriminant to be 25. 25 is a positive number, so it will have 2 solutions. 25 is also a perfect square, so it will be rational. This quadratic will be a 2-solution rational. For the next example, the a value will be 1, the b value will be 2, and the c value will be 1. Again, following the steps, after we substitute everything in, we can find the d value to be 0. 0, if the discriminant is 0, it will always have one solution. Also, the square root of 0 is 0, so this will be a one solution rational. Thank you for watching Types of Roots.